Hi, my name is Evelina from NoviSign, and Nia will present you a new media player.
What's up, dude? Probably you've missing me. Yes, this is Nir, the NoviSign dude. You can just call me the dude or the Novi dude. It's been a while since last time, and today I'm going to present you a new media player. And this one is by Xiaomi, and some call it Xiaomi, but in Chinese Mandarin you should say Xiaomi. Alright, this is how we call it. And this media player is called MiBox. Alright, it's called MiBox S of Xiaomi. Let's unbox it, let's see what's inside. It's pretty much heavy. So I'm just taking off the box. And here's a TV box. This is how it looks. Very, very smooth. You can see it has a couple of things here, those sockets, those ports. And from the front you can't see anything except the infrared part. Let's see what other things do we have here. Okay, so we have a leaflet, instructions. We have this power supply. We have this, this is an HDMI cable, like you see. And the last thing which we have here is, of course, a remote control. So this one is called MiBox S. The model is S. Now this has a quad-core Amlogic S905X processor, up to 2 GHz speed, which is very fast. It has 2 GB RAM, it has 8 GB of storage, which I think is pretty much okay for whatever it comes to digital signage. You don't need more than that unless you have really big videos. Also has dual band Wi-Fi. It has Bluetooth 4.2. If we look here in the back, we see that it has HDMI. This is HDMI 2.0A port. It has also a USB 2.0 point. Okay, I think it's fine. You don't really need a USB 3.0, which is faster. This one is very, I think it's good enough. You also have, what else do we see here? We have an audio in-out jack for sound, and this is for the power supply. That's all. I don't see any RJ45 LAN port here, so probably you must use the Wi-Fi, or you can also use an adapter between the USB to RJ45. This is in case you'd like to use LAN Ethernet. One more thing, one more important detail about this TV box is that it supports 3 videos at the same time, and also screen rotation. If you want to display your signage portrait, that means standing like that instead of sitting as landscape. So if you want screen rotation for portrait, you just have it here. This one is also called a kind of Android TV box, and I say Android TV because it behaves like an Android TV. That means it doesn't work mainly by mouse, but mainly by the remote control, like a real Android TV. But this one is a box. So this is it. It's very good for digital signage. We have tested that with NoviSign software, and if you'd like to hear some more about other media players such as this one and more about our digital signage software, so just click the link here, which is www.novisign.com. This is Nir from NoviSign, signing out.